man.
Wow, the Christmas decorations are still up. Parkin' in Peacock. Disney is the only place where you can have a Christmas tree up mid-January. Brer Rabbit. It's really incredible to see how far Pandora has come. Pretty sure back there is a female warthog without its tusks.
Oh, they're out of here. It looks like you guys are going to get a second visit today.
Oh, rivers of light, where art thou?
Let's go on this side.
It's time for some Lion King.
What a wonderful phrase! Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing craze! Hey, Papa, what are you doing over there? I'm in the warthog section. Hakuna Matata! What a wonderful phrase! Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing craze! It is no worries for the rest of your days.
Tenacity spanning, decades of denial is simply why I'll be king undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonder I am. My teeth and ambitions are there.
In perfect harmony with all its living things. In the circle, the great big circle, the circle of life, circle of life.
Alright guys, so we are leaving Animal Kingdom. We're just gonna do some park hopping. Disney's Hollywood Studios. I don't know why, I just kind of felt like it. There they are. Any Star Wars fans who knows what those black stormtroopers are called, I think it's Death Trooper, leave it in the comments. All right, we're walking into Fantasmic. So here is a long-time tradition here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We're doing the wave right now before Fantasmic. You can see it looks like it died out. Whereas, oh, yeah,
Y como recordatorio, no se puede espectáculo. Senhoras e senhores, faltam apenas 10 minutos para começar.
It looks like it lost steam. This is what it looks like right when you walk in to Disney's Polynesian Resort. Look at these beds. Let's see what the pillows say. Sweet dreams. Check out this giant painting. Is that a hidden Mickey that you can see across Disney's Polynesian Resort? Literally, as you're laying in bed, you can look at the monorail from across the window. Pretty amazing. That's nuts.